For most of you, medical school is the hardest thing you've done. It was for me, at least while I was in medical school. For the first time, academically challenged, everyone in the room is as smart or smarter than you. Maybe. Everyone wants to succeed. Everyone wants to do good while doing well. But there's this misperception that your success necessitates another's failure. When you have the pressure to succeed and perceived competition, that combination can drain the soul and your emotional battery. When that emotional battery drains, feelings of self-doubt and depression are normal. Believe me, I've been there. We at OnlineMedEd want to normalize mental health concerns, especially in medical school, to destigmatize someone asking for help. In fact, that's my #1 recommendation. Who better to know what you're going through than the other people going through it with you, your classmates? Part of mental health is maintaining that emotional charge. Everybody does something that recharges them. You know what that is for you. You have to make sure you set aside time to do that thing. And we want to know about it. What do you do to recharge your emotional battery? And remember, you belong here. You are good enough. You got this.
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 You got this.